The current head of state, who is supposed to be exiting, has decided he wants to extend his rule kinyume cha sheria ya Kenya, kinyume cha katiba ya Kenya. And all we are getting here is nothing else but a very vicious attempt to stifle any voice that is going to stop the path of trying to illegally remain in power, contrary to the constitution of this country. And we want to tell the current head of state, you shall not succeed. You shall not succeed in muffling the voice of the people and giving the people the voice that they want to speak for them on the ballot. You will not succeed. You will not succeed. These are lame attempts. We were ready. We knew these things were going to come. So we are ready for you. Na muna bahati mbaya, kwa sababu tunajua sheria ya Kenya, and we were ready for you. You can throw what you want, but we are ready for you. And you shall be defeated even here. Hakuna mahali ambao umeshinda sisi. You have been at it for the longest period, na umeshindwa, na hata hapa utashindwa. Utashindwa.